You know, weight loss is such a huge topic in our country right now. We know there's an enormous amount of obesity. Recently, I was asked, how can I use herbs to lose weight? Can it be done? Hi, my name is Jenny Roberts, and I'm a nationally certified personal trainer and a graduate of the American Academy of Nutrition. Yes, you certainly can use herbs to help you lose weight. How can you do it? Let's talk. First of all, there's one herb that's pretty popular, and that's ginseng. Now, ginseng is something that will really help to increase energy. Of course, we don't want to overuse it, but it's very, very safe, and it's very available. This is going to give you that little extra energy that you need so that you can exercise and get through your day. It really is a great pick-me-up. I love to use it before I work out. Another herb that you can use is licorice root, and there are many, many more. But these herbs and the herbs that follow in that family are really used to help the body to digest and eliminate food properly. You know, a lot of people simply don't eliminate through their digestive tract the way they should, and trust me, that will really slow down the weight loss process. So, can you lose weight by using herbs? Absolutely. Enjoy. I'm Jenny Roberts.